Hello everyone, this is Crayley. This is Chimney, and we've taken off the cover of it because there is something in there that we don't know what it is. We've had both birds and bats, and I think this is a bat because I haven't heard twittering. Mom doesn't want to believe that it's a bat. I'm trying to shine a light in, because if it is a bird, it should be able to see it and come this way. Okay, we're back a few minutes later. It's starting to get closer, I think. I'm going to see if you can catch some of this movement that's going on in there, because it makes this terrible scratching noise on the inside. I think it's somewhere in that back wall, or behind it. It's not moving now. Of course, every second I step away is the time when it decides to scratch in there. I think it hears me when I come closer to try to record it. Okay, after taking a stop at the store, we've been away for about half an hour. There's no sign of it yet. But I did think I heard some scratching around when we came back. Okay, just running over from my computer. I'm hearing some very close scratches now. Like it sounds like it's moved from the back wall over to the side wall. Of course, now that I'm speaking, it stopped. I'm going to stay over here for a bit longer, see if it starts up. Okay, he's come up. He's on the window over there. Woo! Sorry, I wasn't there to catch it, people. He just kind of flew out while I was on my computer. I don't know where he is now. Oh, there he is. Dad's catching him. Do you need something to put over top of the net?
No, I can get this window open. There we go. Out.
Okay, we opened the window on him.
Second cat.
Yeah, that's okay.